Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are talking about the topic that is city creation. And in city creation basically we are talking about one topic that is accounts. India account. So one of the person told that basically India account basically is very dangerous topic because everything basically is created. Now basically if you will change then basically it will create problem basically because everything is created. That's why basically Congress created BJP, BJP created Aam Aadmi Party, and many party basically are already created. So now basically change basically change basically happens basically, but that basically takes time. So one of the person told that 1983 World Cup basically that was basically one account actually. 1983 basically World Cup that was one account actually, and that was actually the fulfillment of the requirement basically. That government say that basically we don't trust Indian people, we want outside India people only. So they have taken outside India people basically. So in government basically most of people basically are outside India, Indian, who are basically doing the task. One of the person to the in 1983 World Cup basically the one few people basically were Pakistanis also basically. Their people basically were Pakistanis. They were actually Pakistani. So that basically is different topic. But people basically know everything basically. It's not like that basically they don't know anything. Rohingya Muslim basically. So the CAA plan basically started long before 1983 only basically. That public basically never knows only basically. Public basically when they got the information, CAs, when the rules are actually applied basically. But that time basically everything was done basically. Even basically they have placed lots of people to USA, UK. Now basically if you'll do anything to these people, then it will create problem to Indian nationality who basically shifted from India to outside, and mostly basically 50 to 70 percentage people basically who shifted to from India to outside, this group has sent, that is Rohingya Muslims and Pakistanis who basically won the World Cup in 1983. So you basically can't do anything to them also basically because government's plan basically are very dangerous. So you can just imagine 70 percentage people who are basically working outside India, that people basically was placed from this people basically, this group, that is Rohingya Muslims, that is the Bangladeshi Muslims and Pakistani Muslim who basically are staying in India also basically, and they are ruling in India basically. Now basically you can't do anything basically because everything is done. And this everything Supreme Court also know basically they are not basically like that basically. That was entire group basically 1983 group, that is 1983 group. So one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically this everything basically might be in account na basically. It 100% basically you have to take each and every person basically account. For example, Sunil R Nair basically got job in 3i Infotech, got job in Cap Gemini. That account information is also basically there. It's not like that basically it's not there basically. But Sunil R Nair visited Mumbai, not got job. This type of information basically they never keep. That basically might be different topic basically. That basically comes into the Berozgari topic basically. Berozgar account. So one person told that each and every individual basically if you see the account basically, if you calculate the each and every individual account, you will reach up to very dangerous thing basically. So you will reach to very. So one person told that it's not easy to create the account, maintain the account. There is only one debit, that is tax, one credit, that is tax. That's all basically. This is the account. In simple language, this is the account basically. Tax credited, tax debited. That's all basically. Then one of the person told that the item basically which you purchase basically, the things basically which you purchase, the that basically comes into the barter system basically. Then basically this was basically very interesting basically thing basically. The Indian government basically, for example, from UAE, they purchased oil basically. So they basically give money or basically what actually what here basically what they say basically. That is actually question basically. They basically gives money or basically what actually happens. Or still basically the barter system is there. Then basically the tax basically where basically it comes. So one of the person told that India account contains those data basically which is connected with the normal public, which is connected with the normal public. So there are many accounts basically in this world. One barter system account is also basically somebody might be handling basically. Somebody might be handling, and that basically they handles basically. It's not like that basically they don't handle. One person told that Dubai city, the creation of Dubai city, exactly same way basically the Mumbai city are creating it basically. So one of the person told that Dubai city basically when it was created, some new basically thing was created. They had taken the energy, everything basically they had checked. Now basically they are implementing in Mumbai city basically. Then basically one of the person told that what actually this is basically. This is barter system or basically it's what actually? Because if somebody is basically creating everything and exactly same copy he is doing to some other city, that basically says lots of things basically. That is basically lots of things basically. Bangalore city basically. Bangalore city created the lots of infotech park basically. Then basically the Pune city created infotech park, big infotech park basically. So infotech park accounts. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.